I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Meesho and navigating to the seller or product upload area. This is where scanning is available. Once done, tap the barcode or scan icon to invoke the camera. Make sure permissions are granted so the app can access the camera and files. Hold the barcode steady about 10-20 cm from the lens and orient it straight. This reduces glare and helps the autofocus lock. If you're using a secondary light, diffuse it to avoid shiny spots on the barcode. Now focus on framing. Position the barcode within Meesho's guide box and align edges parallel to the phone sides. You should move only the phone slightly to center it, not the item. This stabilizes the image. Press gently to trigger autofocus or tap the barcode area on screen if it remains fuzzy. Once the app recognizes the pattern, it will read digits automatically. Do not swipe or close the camera until confirmation appears. This step ensures accurate product lookup. After the scan, review the captured barcode string and compare it to the physical label to ensure accuracy, then confirm to attach the code to your product. If the scanner fails repeatedly, switch to manual entry and type the code to avoid delays. Make sure to clean the camera lens, increase ambient light, and remove any plastic covers causing reflections before retrying. These quick checks fix most problems. If numbers still mismatch, retake the photo and cross-check against packaging or supplier records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.